We are born alkaline and we die acidic. Hello everyone, मेरा नाम मनदीप सिंह राघव। स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का इस YouTube चैनल Wisdom Aqua पर। This is the detailed video on pH. The term pH refers to the potential of hydrogen, which is a measure of hydrogen ion concentration and also a measure of acidity or alkalinity. The scale ranges from 0 on the acidic side to 14 on the alkaline side. A solution is neutral if the pH is 7. The pH scale is logarithmic, so a change of 1 pH unit indicates a 10-fold shift in the concentration of hydrogen ion. For example, a pH of 6 is 10 times more acidic than a pH of 7, and it's 100 times more acidic than a pH of 8. In the human body, pH is critical, especially in your blood. The pH ranges that is considered to be normal for blood is between 7.30 and 7.45, which is just naturally slightly alkaline. Nobel Prize winner for cancer discovery in 1931, Dr. Otto Heinrich Warburg says no disease, including cancer, can exist in an alkaline environment. Blood with a pH of 7.3 is also thinner than blood with a more acidic pH. A lower blood pH means thicker blood that is more difficult to pump. Both dehydration and low blood pH are now linked with high blood pressure. This is the result of poor diet, dehydration, stress and environmental pollutants. Each of these contributes to acidosis and unfortunately also to disease and premature aging. Mild to moderate acidosis may promote high blood pressure, heart problem, diabetes, obesity and kidney stones. Eating foods high in acidic can decrease the pH level in the body. Because human blood pH should be slightly alkaline, the body will try to compensate for an acidic pH by using alkaline minerals. In an overly acidic body, maintaining normal blood pH is difficult. Sometimes your body has no choice but to pull alkaline minerals from organs and other tissues, as well as from bones and teeth. Most people suffering imbalanced pH level are too acidic. An overly acidic pH forces your body to borrow potassium, sodium, calcium and magnesium. Your body's pH level is directly impact your overall health and even a woman's fertility. So pH regulation for pregnant women is extremely important. While in the womb, the baby floats in the amniotic fluid. The amount of amniotic fluid is greatest at about 34 weeks into the pregnancy. Amniotic fluid has a pH of 7.0 to 7.5, means alkaline. That's why unborn survive. Cells make up tissues, tissues make up organs, and organs make up system. Humans are complex organisms made up of trillions of cells, each with their own structure and function. Scientists have come a long way in estimating the number of cells in the average human body. Most recent estimates put the number of cells at around 30 trillion. Where are you today? Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. जल्दी मिलते हैं एक नए टॉपिक के साथ. Till then, stay alkaline and stay tuned with Wisdom Aqua.